Good morning, children. Yesterday I had shown you a leaf and discussed the parts of the leaf with their functions. Let us start today. Every living thing needs food. It helps us to grow and carry out daily life activities such as studying, playing, and working. Some living things make their own food and others obtain their food from different sources. Living things that can produce their own food are known as autotrophs. That produce their own food, they are called autotrophs. Green plants are autotrophs. Living things that depend on others for food are called heterotrophs. What do? We depend on plants, animals for our food. So we are heterotrophs. Animals and human beings are heterotrophs. In plants, the leaf helps to make food. Let us study about the parts and functions of the leaf which we have already done. How do plants make food? Plants take in carbon dioxide from air and water from soil. The leaves of green plants contain a green substance called chlorophyll. Chlorophyll traps sunlight. Green leaves use the energy of sunlight to prepare food from carbon dioxide and water. Since this process takes place in the presence of sunlight, it is called photosynthesis. What is the word? Photosynthesis. Photo means light and synthesis means preparing or putting together. So what it is said? Here it is said that why the leaves, you see all the leaves are green in color. Why they are green in color? Because they contain chlorophyll. And what is the function of chlorophyll? Chlorophyll traps the sunlight and the energy of the sunlight helps in the preparation of the food of the plant with the help of carbon dioxide and water. And since sunlight is light, so this process is called photosynthesis. Photosynthesis is the process by which green plants prepare food in the presence of sunlight. During photosynthesis, plants take in carbon dioxide and give out oxygen. This is something very important. It takes up the carbon dioxide and it gives out oxygen. This oxygen is used by all animals and human beings to breathe. Plants store their food in the form of starch in their leaves. So what is happening here? Carbon dioxide in photosynthesis, what actually happens? Carbon dioxide and water in the presence of sunlight gives glucose, which is the starch, and the oxygen, which is given out by the leaves. Leaves make food for the whole plant, so they are called the food factory or the kitchen of a plant. Leaves use the energy of the sun to change water and carbon dioxide into a kind of sugar known as glucose. This sugar is then taken to all parts of the plant by the side veins and the stem. This much for today. Next tomorrow we will do the different experiments and the rest of the chapter. Thank you, children.